Stock category introduction. Stock category offers a parallel classification of stock items. Like stock groups, classification is done based on similarity in behavior. The advantage of categorizing items is that you can classify the stock items based on functionality together across different stock groups, which enables you to obtain reports on alternative or substitutes for a stock item. Stock category creation. Create following stock category in Tally Prime. Stock category name as television under primary, washing machine under primary, LED TV under television, smart TV under television, automatic washing machine under washing machine, semi-automatic washing machine under washing machine. To create stock categories under Tally Prime, we need to navigate Create menu option under Masters on Gateway of Tally. Select Stock category under Inventory Masters. We can see here Stock category creation page. We can access F12 configuration option to configure information such as provide aliases for name, provide language aliases for name, use primary or a parent stock category for stock categories, yes. We can also access more detailed information to view general details such as name and alias, grouping of stock category. Further, we can access Show More information to view detailed information including language alias. Enter name of category, television, under primary. Enter to accept. Washing machine. Group under primary. Enter to accept. LED TV. Group under television. Enter to accept. Smart TV. Group under television. Enter to accept. Automatic washing machine. Group under washing machine. Enter to accept. Semi-automatic washing machine. Group under washing machine. Enter to accept. To view stock categories created in Tally Prime, we should navigate Chart of Accounts under Masters from Gateway of Tally. Select Stock categories under Inventory Masters. Here we can see television and washing machine as primary stock categories. Television primary category has subcategory as LED TV and Smart TV, whereas washing machine primary category has subcategory as automatic washing machine and semi-automatic washing machine. alteration and deletion. To alter a stock category in Tally Prime, we should navigate Alter menu option under Masters from Gateway of Tally. Select Stock category under Inventory Masters. From list of stock categories, select the stock category that we wish to alter or delete. For example, let's change name of automatic washing machine as Automatic Washing Machine Top Load. Group under Washing Machine. Enter to accept. Similarly, alter name of semi-automatic washing machine as Front Load. Enter. Group under Washing Machine. Enter to accept. To delete a stock category in Tally Prime, select Stock category from list of stock categories. For example, Magnetic Washing Machine. To delete selected category, you should press Alt-D to delete. Please note, stock category cannot be deleted if it is already mapped or used in a stock item. Enter to confirm. We can see that deleted stock category is not available under list of stock categories. So this way, in Tally Prime, we can alter, edit or delete any stock categories from books of accounts.